Of the Mahjong video.
Yeah. So that's probably why there's a comment.
Yeah. No, it's hardly hearable, so I don't think it's that. So.
You're really sure? Because people do claim videos even for the slightest thing that shows up.
Okay.
So because I've seen videos claimed for like having a 30-second segment in like a 10-minute long video.
Could be that then. But I put headphones on and I could only just hear us talking, and that was closer to the microphone than the telly was. I know the telly was quite loud, but I suppose it could be.
Does it say who's claimed it?
Huh?
Does it say who's claimed it? If it does, then that'll probably give you an idea.
Where? Have a look. I can't see where you.
Well, usually it would say.
Claimant. UMG on behalf of Universal Music. That's probably what it is then.
Yeah, it gets to.
Oh yeah, look. It heard Eminem. Joking. Did you hear that, Joe? It's been claimed because of a music video in it. That's crazy.
Well, I mean, they're going to get some money from it, aren't they? No, from our advertising.
No one's going to watch it though.
I don't know, it depends how good you are at Mahjong. What?
Okay.
Yay!